Now friends, we have come to English lesson 2 part 3. We have come to rule number 9, and this rule 9 says if two or more subjects are joined by and if they are of different numbers and different persons, the verb is always used in the plural number. Also, if the subjects have any first person, the verb will be in the first person plural. But there is no first person, but there is a second person. The verb is used in this second person plural number. Examples are for rule 9 are given below for your an idea and clarity. Example number 1, he and I are going to watch movie. Example number 2, my father and I have known him for many years. Example number 3, you and he are well known here. Example number 4, you and I have done our best to finish this job. Friends, now coming to slide number 2, we are giving below three numbers of exercises to you all to get better in English language and improve your English more efficiently. Here is an exercise 1. There are 10 sentences where you have to correct the verb properly according to the requirement of the sentence. So answers are given below for your convenience. So please try to do it honestly and by your true efforts. Okay, we'll move to our next slide. Now friends, we have come to the exercise number 2, slide number 3, English lesson 2 part 3. In each of the following sentences, we have to apply a verb in agreement with its subject. Here are 10 sentences. Fill in the blanks are given in each of sentence and you have to choose the correct verb for each and every sentence according to its structure. So try to solve with your basic study and your knowledge. Okay, we'll move to our next slide. Now friends, we have come to slide number 4, English lesson 2 part 3, exercise number 3. Filling the blanks in the following sentences with appropriate verbs from those given in brackets against each sentences. So you have to choose the correct verb required here as per the sentence structure and its meaning. The answers are given below for your ready reference. So as per your study and knowledge, please choose a correct verb and apply it to each and every sentence and try to find out and match your answer with the following answers. Okay, thank you. We'll move to our next slide, that is slide number 5. Friend, this slide fifth is also continuation part of the earlier slide of the exercise 3. So here also 11 to 20, that is 20 sentences are given here along with the verbs applicable for each and every sentence given in brackets. So you have to choose the correct verb according to the structure and meaning of the English English language and its meaning in these sentences. The answers are given below for your ready references. So try to solve this exercise 3's part 2 with properly and honestly. Thank you. Now friends, we have come to the slide number 6, English lesson 2 part 3. The subject is collective noun and verb. The rule 10, with collective nouns, verbs can be used either in a singular or plural numbers according to sense. If the collective noun represents a whole group or a body in bracket institution, it takes a singular verb. But if the collective noun represents a part or parts of the division of a body, it takes a plural verb. The important collective nouns are here. Once again, I repeat, the important collective nouns are here: government, parliament, assembly, council, committee, army, crew, staff, fleet, crowd, majority, and mob. Following are the examples of Rule 10. Example number 1. The committee has agreed on this issue. Since the whole committee has agreed, that's why has been used here as a verb. The verb is singular because there is no division in the committee, in the member of the committee. Example number 2. The committee are divided on this issue. Here the verb is plural because the committee is divided. The members of the committee are divided while taking the decision. That's why the verb are used in this sentence. Example number 3. Crew is well trained. Here the crew is in a whole. Here the verb is a singular because the crew represents one undivided group. Example number 4. The crew were taken prisoners. Here the verb is plural because members of the crew have to be taken prisoners separately. So I hope you have understood the basic principle and concepts under this collective noun and verb. Now we will move to our next slide. Now friends, we have come to the slide number 7, English lesson 2 part 3. Earlier we have read and studied about the rule 10 of collective noun and verb. The examples are given for rule 10. There are 9 sentences here which gives broader idea about the rule 10. The parliament has elected its speaker. The military were deployed over the troubled area. The fleet has touched the shore. The government have decided to introduce the bill. The assembly is in session. The mob has dispersed. The mob have started throwing stones. The jury has come to a unanimous decision. The jury are divided in opinion. So friends, here is a query and question marks is there to you all to find out why has, where, has, have, is, has are all used as verbs in these sentences. So try to understand the rule 10 so you will be able to understand the applicability of all these verbs here. So we'll finish, we are going to end this session here and we'll move to next session on the next slide. Thank you.